Hey everyone, welcome again to one of my videos. We're looking at the FTSE at the moment, and the reason for this is several. Again, I like to pick ones which people are interested in and also can educate and inform. So whilst there'd been some good pickups, you see the short trade there. These went nowhere, so that one I can sort of cancel. But that short there nicely picked up into a long, and then the long went up. Just to reinforce some of the old points, yes, we don't manage to get out at the tops and the bottoms. That's because we don't have witchcraft or a crystal ball. What we do have, however, and you can see, is because we're trend following, pattern recognition, looking at multiple indicators across multiple timeframes, what we do have is ample opportunities, and that's what's important. The reason I wanted to show you this one is it's a classic example of where the market and the indicator are in synchronicity. They're getting the signals getting picked up nicely, and that's why people say to me, oh, so you don't need any human intervention. Well, actually, you know what? The reason we talk about trade selection is a little bit of time when you're scanning the markets 15 minutes a day before and after, a little bit of human intervention. The human brain can process a lot more data and information than any computer can. So the computer is used to identify where we think there are high probability trades. But what you're doing is you're also just looking for the fact that, yes, as I've said in the community site, what and where to trade, and the videos that I upload, both on the Telegram channel and on the other pages on pipspredator.com useful links. If you go to pipspredator.com useful links, you'll see some videos there as well. They're there to educate you in terms of a little bit of trade selection, plus the indicator is ideal. What we don't have is a degree of automation, for the simple reason that if you just had pure automation, just leave the computer on, we'd all be on a yacht in the Bahamas with $1 trillion sitting around in the Swiss bank account. You might notice there is nobody on this planet who sits on a yacht in the Bahamas with $1 trillion sitting in a Swiss bank account. And the reason for that is with trading, we don't have guaranteed wins every single trade. If we did, we'd have our $1 trillion. We also don't have something whereby you can just simply switch it off, not think, leave it up. We are spending those 15 minutes just doing a bit of trade selection. 15 minutes is a very low price to pay for trade selection. That's what we're doing. Then we're using the computers. It's our brain power plus the algorithms. Don't trust anybody who says, oh, we've got an EA, an automated system which just works by itself. Seriously, if it just worked by itself, right, they'd be working for me, or they'd be working for AHL, or they would be working for Renaissance Technologies. The reason we have human intervention, the reason that it's a bit like power steering in a car, you're still driving the car, but you've got power steering, a lot of things to make life easy, is because you're still able, through trade selection and the methods that I show you on trade selection through the mentoring, able to improve your trading, get to the profits. And anyway, the FTSE one was a good example of all the lessons of trading that I'm trying to get into people. And it's a skill worth learning, as you can see from this. It is very well worth doing. Okay, thank you very much.